Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change language in Samsung Galaxy S22. To change our language in our phone, we have to go to settings first. Then we are looking for our language, general management, language and keyboard here. And at the top we have our language options. To add a new language, we need to look for our language that we want to add. Let's add another English one or German, for example. We can right now keep the current language and simply add this one to the list, or set as default language. Let's keep the current, but let's have it right here. And to switch languages, we simply choose to apply, tap apply, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.